Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to this channel. By the way, I'm Eduardo Golfan, and to this video, let's talk about the update query. So no further intro, let us go to our sample products. And here we go guys. Let us assume that due to high inflation rate, we need to increase the selling price of our goods. So sample this one, this is our selling price, the list price, and we have to increase this, like for example, up to 5%. And then we have to update this across to all products, and then automatically, not one by one. So to update using update query, close this, go to create menu, query design, and then products, close, and let us expand. Then let us drag down or double click, and then this one, list price, we need this. Let us check. Okay, this is it. So let's go back to the design view. Here, the default query type is the select. So we need to change this to update query. So this one, update to, for example, this one, since we have to increase this up to 5%, the list price. Let's type list price, but we have to put it in the bracket to signify that this is a field, times 1.05 or 5%. So this is it. Let us view. So this one, 18.0, but if we select this run like this, you're about to update 45 rows. So here we go. Let us check guys our products. So from 18.0 it becomes 18.9. Let us check the original. Okay, this is it. 14, 18, 14, 46. Now it becomes 18.9, 14.7. Let us check guys. So 18 times 1.05 equals 18.9. So this is correct, and it is across to all. Another sample guys. Sample this one. As you can see, box, the unit is box, boxes, it's not uniform. And also the packages, there's a period, and the rest has no period. We can change it also. Let us try guys. So let's go back to our query, and then delete that. Okay, and then let us select the unit, this one. Okay, so for example, the boxes, let us change this to all capital letters, box, and then the criteria would be, let's type boxes, a box. You can use or boxes. Okay, or else guys, you can use or, you can proceed in this line, especially if you have a lots of criteria. So let us try. Okay, this one, box, boxes, and then when we run, let us go to design view, and then run, update 7. Okay, so let us view again. So box, let us check. So box, 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 we cannot see our other spelling. So another sample is the packages. Okay, this one, packages. Let's do another sample. Let's type packages. Okay, so packages, and the other is packages with period. Okay, something like this. You can use or, and then when you click this, okay, lots of spelling. Let us go to design view, and then run it. Okay, let's check this one, and let's go to products. So this is it, guys. Another sample is I created a log entry, this one. So using this form, so this is showing, guys, that this is our login form. Log in, log out. If we select the login, it will update the status. So sample, close this. Let's create a query. Select entry log, that's it, and then employee name, entry description, and also the time. Select update, and then the criteria would be this one. The name of this is employee name or emp name. Close this. So let's type, for example, forms, and then log, because we only have one form, and this is it, log, and then exclamation, employee name, emp name. That's it. And then the entry description, let us put time in. Okay, let's put a quotation to signify that this is a string. Okay, and then let's put now the current time and date. So this is it, and let us close this. Let us type time in. Okay, and also we have to copy paste. Let's type time out, and let us change the value. Okay, time out, and that's it. So here, let us go to design, and then let us put a code, guys. On click, three dots, code builder, and let us type do cmd open query, and then the name of the query is this one, time in. Let's copy paste. Okay, and then close this one also, code builder. Okay, let's copy paste, and let's put time out. Okay, check the spelling. Okay, it's correct, and save. So now let us try this one. Time out, Eduardo Golpan. Let us select Eduardo Golpan, assuming that I will log in. Okay, you run. Okay, that's it. And then when we refresh, okay, time in, and then the time and the date is 4/16. This one, it's correct. And what if I'm going to out, refresh? Okay, out. I will add another code, so to avoid this one warning. And let's go to the coding, this one. To turn off, let's type do cmd set warning. Okay, false. And then after the query, let's put it back, the warning, set warning. Okay, true. And let us copy paste this. Okay, this one. Okay, so open again, sorry, and let us open the entry log. For example, Eduardo, log in. Okay, refresh. Okay, and what if Idseljan will log in? Okay, refresh. Let us add another let us put additional code. If time in, there's a message box, you have success login. BB information. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Copy paste and change to log out. Okay, let's try. So Edseljan out. If we click out, you have successfully logged out and no need to refresh. It's out. If he wants to log in, you have logged in successfully. Okay, it's the same. Eduardo Gulfan, log in. Okay, log out. That's it. I think this is enough. I hope guys you enjoy this video. It helps you a lot, and if you have some questions, feel free to comment it below. I will try my best to answer that one. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do also subscribe. That's all guys. Thank you and see you to my next video.